Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video we're going to help you choose the right rivet gun for the project that you're working on. Now there's all different makers and styles of rivet guns available. I have three examples that I'm going to talk about today. One is called a hand rivet gun, the other is a lever rivet gun, and the other one is a cordless rivet gun. Now, the most common is the hand rivet gun. It can be operated by using just one hand. You place the rivet inside the tip and you squeeze the handle to activate the rivet and create the bond. Now, the lever one is for more heavy-duty applications where you really need to apply a lot of force, and you can use two hands to squeeze the tool together to make the rivet join the two pieces of material together. And finally, the cordless rivet gun. Now this is really more of a production tool. Let's say that you wanted to make a replica of the Eiffel Tower. This is the tool for you. And you keep inserting the rivets and squeezing the trigger, and it just keeps creating the rivet one after another. No fatigue. The tool does all the work. So, for your next project, please consider one of these rivet guns to get it completed. Coming up, how to actually remove a broken rivet.